see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ayan, nakibihis na ako. Thank you. Naglalabit ka space. Baba ako. Ayan, dyan na tayo. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Uwian na, pero pupunta muna kami sa marketplace. Is it marketplace?
Queen Victorian Market.
Queen Victorian Market. Doon kami muna pupunta bago kami umuwi. And mamimiss ko tong view na to every morning at saka night. Ang ganda nito pag gabi. Kaya naman umaga, maganda naman siya. Ayan yung tram. Maliligo na yung mga bata. Tapos alis na. Alright, Baba? You need help? Okay, ayan. Palis na kami ng room. Okay pala to. Okay. Nothing there? Okay, go. Bye. Ayun. Lahat kayo may bit-bit. Wait, Baba. We're going down or up?
I'm going to this one.
Down? No.
Down.
Down.
What? We have to let the dad go.
Yeah, Daddy's coming.
I need to do that.
Okay, wait for Daddy. Wait.
Oh! Oh!
Go.
That was under the pillow.
What? Oh, okay.
I got scared.
Okay, let's go. O, diba?
Okay ka na?
Hoy, oo. Ay, sarado nga. You were right, Dan. This is closed. Oh, masarap yung tinapay dyan, kaso closed. Ayan, papunta na kami sa Victoria Market. Sila Reyes nakasunod sa amin. So, yan, last day na dito. Pauwi na kami after ng market. Say good morning, boys. Good morning. Baba. No. Baba, say good morning. Good morning. Dito na kami sa Queen Victoria Market. Stretch muna siya. Baba here! At least hindi siya nagyoyon. Stretching siya. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa market, guys. And nandito yung ating mga kasama. Ano yun naman? Vitamin? Baba, what you gonna get, Baba? Elsa again? You're wearing Elsa. What did he say? Okay, bumibili sila ng coffee ni Reyes. Andun sila. What we're gonna have for breakfast? Okay. Ayun yung magkuya, oh. What are you doing, you two? Wait. Baba. Hello. You want corn sack? Han, can I have corn, man, please? Sacks wants corn too.
Hello.
Hi. How much the corn?
That's $4.
$4?
Boiled or grilled? Do you want to put a butter sauce?
Yes, please. Paborito yan ni Sak sa Bali. Lagi namin yung kinakain. Nauna na pala. Ikwento bago yung vlog namin. Pinento niya na tayo. Para hindi mag-drip yung ano, butter.
Here we are.
Say what you gonna say? Ah, ako nga. Chili. 4. I want 10, honey, because I want 1.
Good.
Can I get 2, please?
Yeah, do you want a boil?
Another one, please.
We'll do grilled, please.
Just give me one.
Yes.
My
No.
chili is really hot, okay? Be careful.
Okay. Sa akin, spicy. Thank you. Ayan. Spice. Baba, you cannot have this, Baba. Spicy, Baba. You like it? Huh? Spicy. Oh, kinuna niya na sa akin. Ako na naman yung wala.
Mag-sawa niya. Ubus niya ba yan?
Gino-joke niya si Dan na bagay daw to kay Dan, no?
Can you imagine John with that? See you in a while.
Kuya, can Kuya TJ have a bite? Please. Please. Ayaw niya mag-share kasi masarap. Sobrang anghang niya. Ayaw niya ayaw niya mamigay. Bahala ka dyan. What's that? Elsa. Wala siyang pakialam. Look at that one. Ayan. Binigay ni Sak yung tira niya, oh. Kaya ayan, eto na yung akin. Maanghang. Sobrang anghang. Trinay ni Dan. Oh, maanghang pero masarap daw. Ang sarap niya, guys.
Go say good day. Go on, dare you.
Gusto magpabili ni Holly ng relo.
We'll come back and get it later.
Ang dami mo ng comeback.
Baba, let's come back. I think I see a good Elsa right there, Baba.
Ayan. Si Paw Patrol. Agawan sila. Sabi ni Jam 5, sabi na, sorry. $6 alright, honey. Ayan, sold. Paw Patrol. Who's that, Kuya?
What? No?
Who's that, Zach?
Thank you.
Let me see.
6 o'clock.
What time is it, Holly? 6 o'clock. Alright. What's that? Ang bango ng mga nila, sabon. $2.50 each or 5 for 10. Bango. Hi! Ayan, bumili ako nito last time nung pumunta kami dito. Ayan, sobrang, ang gaganon-ganon mo lang. Yeah, mayroon siyang dot-dot yan, oh. Ayan, ang ganda nito. Sobrang init talaga ngayon. Ayun, oh. Ang init-init niya. Ayan, ang tigas na, diba?
Inano lang niya?
Aprines.
Good for John, maybe.
I got this one.
Does he use it?
Here. No. Nice. Init. Ang init. Yeah. I got this one. This.
one?
Yeah.
It's hot, Bob.
Try ni Dan. Good, right? May massager, oh. Ayun, dalawa ay. Nandun sila. Namupo doon si Sak. Trinay niya eto. Nice, Sak? Does it feel good? Si Kuya, itry niya din daw. Let me know, okay? Let me know if it's good, Kuya. Is it good?
Yeah.
Kung ano lang nakikita namin dito, guys.
Hungry nut.
Parang mayroon sila ng lahat na kung anong maisip mo, no? Andyan.
That's a lot.
Sumasayaw siya, di ba? Kanina doon. Sige, ano? Gumagano si Banana. Iniinitan siya. Put in my bag, Han. Hinubadan ni Holly yung kanyang coat. Kasi naiinitan na raw siya. Warm talaga. Ang init niya talaga. Baba, here, Baba. Follow, Daddy. Ang daming chopping board, oh. Di ba naghahanap ako ng chopping board nung pumunta ako ng Kmart? Pero may nahanap na ako. Ang ganda. Magkano to? 135. Oh, okay. Tinatawag na ako ni Holly. Baba, here. Ayan si Ja. Si Ja. Let me say hi. Looks nice, Han. Buy it. Golf hat daw, oh. How about you, Zach? Try on, Zach. Kuya. Wow. Para kang asyendero. Di ba? Yung bata ng asyendero. Zach, ikaw. Zach, how about you, Zach?
Okay.
Wow, Kuya, nice. Mafia si Sak. Sak, let me see. Hasyendero look ka, Kuya, doon. You're so pretty.
Where'd it go?
Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang cute, oh. Wooden siya. Wood? Oo. Ah, hindi. Ano, parang leather, no? Parang leather siya. Ang cute. $35. Iba-ibang ano.
Ooh, Minion!
Ano? Minion? Yeah, don't touch Baba. Nakikita siyang minion. Come on. Minion. Yeah, put it back. No, that's not us, Baba. Yeah, that's for lady. Okay, come on. Yeah, you just have to wait. Yes. Okay, later. Come on. Yeah, for you. Okay, later. Come on. Say see you later. Okay, come on. Come on, where are they, Baba? Na-miss niya na naman yung tita race niya. Oh. Ayan, footy. Footy stuff.
Pokemon mo na yun.
Saan?
Ay, Digimon pala.
Digimon pala. Ayan. Maghanap sila. Nagpakarga na si Holly sa daddy niya. Napagod ka na, Baba? You're tired? Baba? Napagod na siya kakalakad. Medyo malayo-layo na rin yung nalakad namin. Ayan. Pineapple sa kanya. Nakita to ni Race, oh.
3 for 10.
3 for 10. Ano yan? Golf? May golf, may footy. Ayan. Which one you want, Zach? Which one? What you got? Okay, come on. It's not a toy. Ang daming magandang pang batang babae dito. O, tingnan nyo. Kaya nga, tingnan, di ba? Kaya nga, oh. Pink party talaga. $10. Meron siyang pink. Ayan, ang cute, oh. Si Holly gusto niya kasi pink party daw siya. Oh, no. We're not gonna buy that.
I buy at home.
Yes.
When it's raining.
Yeah, when it's raining. Come on.
A Wonka?
Oh, Wonka. Okay. Come on.
Wait, a Wonka.
Come on. Zach, put it back. Put that back, Baba. Put that back. No. What's that, Zach?
Okay, guys. There you go. You're gonna have a go.
Have a go, Kuya.
I have.
One more.
Okay, one more. What's that?
Do it real hard, Saki.
Good job. Oh!
You wanna have a go?
Okay.
Here you go.
Ang cute! Ang cute!
There you go. Here you go.
Ayan, ang cute! What did you do, sa? Ayan, oh!
Now it's pretty sharp over here. Can you
Ah!
play on the other table? Can you play on the other
Ah, napisa. Napisa. Napisa nisa. Trouble, namula. Takbo na sila ni Tito Danya. Thank you. Sorry about that. Buti nilang mabait si Kuya. Hindi siya pinabayad. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Dito kayo mag-start. Ayan. Tapos na kami doon sa kabila. Dito naman kami hanggang doon sa dulo. It's like, natawa ko kay Sak, namula siya, natakot siya. Na-shock siya kasi. Gutom na siya, oh. Gutom na si Jan. Ay! Hello! Smile! May nakita kaming viewer. Lea, say hi!
Wait, isa pa. Hindi na-capture. Ay, isa pa. Hindi na-capture.
Si Smile, Papa! Smile! Papa, smile! Nag-order silang pizza. Is it good, Zach? Masarap? Masarap daw yung pizza. Thank you. Wait, Holly first. Binila ko ng tubig si Holly kasi uhaw na siya kanina pa. Is it good, ha? Masarap? Masarap daw, guys. Diyan niya, yan, binili. Yung pizza, masarap. Pag diyan kayo galing, pangatlong store. Marami pang kainan dito. Iba-ibang nasyon. Ayan. Parang Italian to, oh. Ayan, madami. Tapos meron ditong ano, pwede kayong maupo. Pagkatapos yung mag-order dyan, dito nyo kakainin. Bumalik si Jan, bili ulit siya ng pizza para sa mga bata kasi gustong gusto talaga nila. Is it really good, kuya? Ngayon, balik ulit kami doon, guys. Nandun na kami, oh. Medyo malayo-layo ng konti. Balik ulit. Come on, Baba! Di ba, balik? Balik ulit tayo. Ayan, ang masarap talaga. What pizza are you getting, honey? What? Hawaiian? Hawaiian. How much is it?
$10 for two of them.
Ah, $10 for two. Ang laki na. It's really big, ah. Ang laki kaya. Ayan, oh. $10 for two. Ayan. Ayan, oh. $10 lang siya.
It's gotta be hot because it's just
Very
come
hot.
out.
Very hot. $10.
Very good.
Wait, it's very hot, kuya.
Hang on, boys.
Ayan, upo tayo. Let's sit. Here. Kuya, sit down here. Dito, pwede kayong maupo dito. Pagkatapos yung mag-order. Dito kami, Race.
Big boy, big boy.
Ayan. Ayan, oh, sobrang laki niya, guys. $10 lang yan. Dalawa na.
Pay for the drink.
Lalaro silang dalawa. Tingnan niyo. What's happening, Holly? What happened to Tita Race? Why she's crying? Because she's hungry.
Hungry. No one's giving me pizza.
Oh, poor Tita Race. What you gonna do? Tinatawanan niya lang si Tita Race niya.
Sabi niyo, wala kang point natin na rin. Oops! What time is it?
What?
What time? 41.
41. 41. Before it was 91.
79. Talaga na yung mga oras.
Iniwan ko muna sila doon habang kumakain ng pizza. Kasi gusto kong bumili ng... I-try natin tong churros, guys. Ayan, oh. Bili tayo. Spanish donut. Churros. So, ang 7 churros nila is $6. Tapos kung gusto nyo ng caramel or chocolate sauce, $3 additional. So, parang $9 lahat. And chocolate dip, please. Chocolate dip. Yes, please. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Can I have more tissue for my kids, please? Thank you. Thank you. Ayan yung chocolate.
Oh, wow! Ayoko nito, ha? Hindi ako may nagsusurot. Ang dami mo naman binili.
That's your Spanish donuts. What's that?
Chocolate.
That's gonna spill because it's time to start.
Oh, yeah, look.
Wait.
Hang on, just
Careful, kuya.
go, take it.
Go get it, kuya.
It's hot? Is it hot?
What's this?
Chocolate. Dan. Come on, Dan. Yeah, chocolate, yes.
No, this is better.
Oh, it's yummy.
Yeah, I can get
Careful, Mama.
this $2.
Ayan, tapos na kami kumain, guys. Dito naman kami sa shed daw to. F-shed. Mga ibon. What's the baba? Ha? Ah, pineapple. Siya na talaga ang pineapple. Ah, sa fish tank ilalagay. Ay, cute nga. Pumipili na siya ng kanyang pang-trabahong trackies. As? Okay. Pinag-aagawan nila si Holly. Kasi si Holly gusto magpakarga. Gusto rin kargahin ni Zach. Pero gusto niya kay kuya. Baba! You're lucky. You're lucky. Ayan si Zach. Careful, Zach, ha? Careful, ha? Don't drop her.
I'm going double XL.
Around the waist.
What's double XL? The price of that thing on the waist. I'm normally about 38.
I wear an XL.
Sabi niya, watch this, guys. Kanina pa sila. Ayan, kinuha niya na naman yung bag. Careful, ha? Careful. Ayan, nakabili na si Jan, tsaka si Dan, oh, ng trackies. Let's go, let's go. Baba, no, come on, let's go. Okay, come on. Follow Daddy now. Hurry up. Follow Daddy na, please. That's enough. Put her down now, Kuya Zach. Okay, walk, Holly. Follow Daddy. Yeah. Ayan, karga niya na naman. That's enough, Zach. Zach, that's okay. Put it down na, Baba. Itatry ni Jan yung kinuha niyang trackies. Oh, tara. Oy. Tara.
Feeling ko gusto niya talaga yung hot manay.
Ano lahat? Yung golf?
Oo, lahat talaga. Oh, tingnan mo. Lahat yung may hot. Nag-stop sila. Tinatry-try niya.
Ikaw na talang kargador ni Holly. Hintay lang namin yung mga boys. Ayan, nakaupo lang kami dito kasi nihintay namin si Jan tsaka si Dan. Pumunta sila sa car park para ilagay yung mga bit-bit namin kanina, yung mga nabili kanina. Come on, Baba! Come on. Ayan, lakad din naman kami. Hindi pa tapos. Go, Baba! Follow Daddy! Ano pa lang? 11 pa lang. Ano race? 11:25 na. Ayun, dadaanan na namin yung dadaanan na naman namin tong Spanish donuts, yung churros. Masarap siya. Masarap. Diyan kami kanina. So, eto, dito naman. Di ba galing na doon? So, doon tayo galing. Palibot. Oo, libutin talaga hanggang dito. Dito na naman. Tapos doon na lang kayo iikot. Diyan kami kanina galing. O, di ba? Kumuha ng pizza. Then, iikot doon. Ayan. Ito na pala yung last row na dadaanan namin, last. Ali! Uy, nakita niya yung ang laki naman yung Baba. You want a little football? Okay. Ayan, hanap sila ng What are you looking for, Zach?
Permission t-shirt.
Now you're up.
Honey, we have a lot. No more, that's enough. Ang dami na namin football sa bahay. That's enough. T-shirt, Kuya. How about you, Zach? You already have? Oh, Kuya, put it back. No, Kuya, because we have enough, Kuya. Baba! Is there any pink, Baba?
Did you see any red drawers?
Huh? No pink. Naghanap siya ng pink.
Yeah, a bigger one.
Uy, put it back there. Ikaw talaga. Magkaiba yata itong pareho lang pala. Ayan, bibili na naman ng football.
Mommy's going to get one there.
Jack, do you want one?
Mom brought.
Do you want one, Zach?
He can't get one.
I want a jacket.
It's got on.
Do you want one, Zach? What do you want, Zach?
Neither.
There's no pink, Holly.
No, but more.
Too bad. That comes at the time.
That's right. No, you already have that one, Kuya. It's red. We'll get another one for Kuya. Kasi yung ganito ni Kuya, yeah, I can, Kuya. Yung ganito ni Kuya na na pumutok ba? So sabi ko, tahiin ko na lang.
Mom,
$10 to. Oh.
Mom, do you know how to stick?
Yeah, I'll try my best, Kuya. She's looking for pink, huh? There's no pink, Baba.
Here's here.
Here, there's none here. Pink, Baba.
There's no pink here, Baba.
Yes, there is a big giant football about that time. Look,
Nagtatanong si Jan kung mayroon silang pink na maliit na football para kay Holly.
Yeah.
Tinuturo niya kung saan meron. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, we're gonna get you, Baba. Little football, yes. Ayan, pinamp. Okay, come on, Baba. We're gonna get your pink football, Baba. Okay, little football, Baba. Ano? Ayun, no. Magkano? Bilang ko si Holly. Bilang natin ito si Holly.
Yeah?
Hi. Can I have this, please? It's not. It's $4. So Sabi niyo $5 nakalagay $4. Yeah, I know for Holly. What's daan? Gusto nilang bumili ng baril-barilan. Dati bumili na kami dati, Diyos ko. Parang 2 or 3 laro lang. Wala na. Sira na agad. Okay, we're gonna come back, Zach.
Papa, big puri! Oh my God.
It's just gonna get hot.
Come on. I don't. Come on. Okay, come on. Let's go later, Baba. Come on, put it back. Uy. Iniwanan na tayo. Ayan o, mga vegetables. Tapos meron silang tubo. Ayan o, sugarcane juice o. Ayan, eto na yung talagang palengke. Ang dami o. Sarap mamili doon. Malapit na tayo, Holly. Oo, yun o. Para ano, eto o, market sports. Pambabae daw kasi to. Ayan, Holly. O, pang kids. Tsaka meron pang babae. Tingnan mo si Holly. Naririnig mo si Holly? What's that, Baba?
We've already bought that one. Is this the smallest pink one you got? Is there a smaller one?
No, probably have $15.
Hello.
Thank you.
I already have one.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, right in front of me eyes.
Oh, look yan. Nasa harapan mo lang pala.
Yep. Hang on, wait, they pump it up.
Wait, Baba.
Right,
Oh, ang saya niya. Akin
Gotta
na.
go in there now.
Oh, yeah, no.
Tito Dan.
Big kids, so
Tito Dan is the big kid. Wait, Baba, you got your pink football, Baba. Yeah, little football. Ayan. Ayan, ipapump lang. Si Baba? Okay. Inalisan nila ng plastic.
Thank you very much.
Ang saya niya, oh. Thank you.
Here, get that here.
Is it okay? Naglalaro na sila, oh. Oh, kasi siya lang yung walang pink na ano, footy. Lagi niyang inaagaw yung sa mga kuya niya. Ayaw niya. Are you happy na, Baba? Ang daming cute na mga ano, oh. Pinicturean ko si Holly. Ayan, yung isa. Laro sila dito doon. Oh, cute. Ayan. Ito na yung ano, last na ano, na ito na yung pinakadulo ng market.
Bye.
Ayan, tapos na.
Well, how do you know how you will feel when everything changes? Where will I go? Where will you be? How will I know? Well, how do you know?
Ang dami nilang mga vintage bag.